Good evening po, Sir Serrano. Ito po yung part 3 ng W3 School. Ito naman po yung JavaScript. Ito po yung introduction niya. JavaScript is the one of the most widely used programming language in the world today. It plays a major role in creating interactive and dynamic website. While HTML is used to build the structure of a web page and CSS is the used to design its appearance. JavaScript adds functionality and behavior. It allows websites that respond to user action, making the browsing experience more engaging and efficient. Originally, na-develop ang JavaScript in 1995. Was created to make web page more interactive. Over time, it has evolved into a powerful and flexible language used only in the web browser but also servers, mobile application, and even games. Today, developers use a JavaScript to create features such as animations, from validation, interactive maps, real-time updates, and online games. One of the reasons JavaScript is so popular because it is easy to learn for beginners. In syntax is simple and readable, which makes it a great starting point for students who want to learn programming. At the same time, it's powerful enough for professional developers to build complex systems and large-scale applications. In addition, JavaScript runs directly in web browser like Chrome and Firefox, which means users do not need to install special software to see it work. This makes it accessible and convenient. With the rise of technologies like Node.js, JavaScript can now also be used for back-end development, allowing developers to use one language for both front-end and back-end program. In conclusion, JavaScript is essential programming language in modern technology. It makes website interactive, improves user experience, and continues to grow in importance in the field of software development. Learning JavaScript opens many opportunities in web development and technology careers. And ayun po, sir, yung nakuha pong data sa JavaScript. Good evening, sir. Ito yung Sir Serrano. Ito po pala, sir, yung coding po sa JavaScript. Ito, papakita ko po, sir. Console dot log the sum is plus sum. Run po natin. Ayan siya po, sir. Mababas po siya. The sum is 15. Next naman po natin, sir, yung ano, sir. Yung name ko po, sir, na Mark. Mark naman po, sir. Let name Mark then alert low tapos plus plus ay Sabi sir kung may lalabas po. Ayun, nag-syntax error siya ba? Syntax error sir. Alert is long. Yan po sir.